Group 1, Pedro Dares.
Jeff Jean-Baptiste.
Brian Maltus.
Michael Sedita.
Andrew Thalkel, and our project is on the Sunshine Foundation website.
The purpose of this project and the objective of the report was to use the skills and knowledge acquired in the course to re-architect, redesign, and prototype a new website for the Sunshine Foundation, an organization dedicated to filling the dreams of ill, physically challenged, and abused children. The foundation will be able to turn over our deliverable to web developers who can construct the site based on our design. The Sunshine Foundation purpose is to fulfill dreams by providing opportunities for ill, physically challenged, and abused children, which their families would otherwise be unable to afford. The Foundation's website serves several main functions: informing the public as to the organization's missions and activities, referring children for services, eliciting individual and corporate support, providing information about local fundraising chapters. In order to provide a deliverable prototype as well as create a final project report, we will be employing the processes and methodology presented by Morville and Rosenfeld. This includes a research phase, a strategic design phase, and a final design and documentation phase.
Our research began with a review of the existing sunshinefoundation.org website. It quickly became apparent that the site could be improved considerably by redesigning it using modern information architecture methodology. We had several conversations with the representative of the foundation and discussed the strength and weakness of the existing site, what they would expect from a new site, and the in-house resources available to update and maintain the site. We evaluated the existing website using test subjects which performed requested operations under observation. They then completed a questionnaire based on usability heuristic research by Jacob Nielsen. The results indicated the current website is poorly organized and difficult to navigate, resulting in inefficiency of use. There are problems with confusion caused by inconsistent labeling. The design team researched websites of similar organizations, the Make-A-Wish Foundation and the Kids Wish Network organizations, in order to perform a competitive analysis. Both sites were significantly better designed than that of the Sunshine Foundation, making them much easier and more pleasant to use.
Analysis was performed on the content of the existing website to familiarize the team with the nature of the content and help plan on the content management needs and structure of the new site. Content mapping, we focus on the mapping content to the most important functional requirements of the site. We then moved on to the strategy phase. We considered site administration, technology needs, document identification, organization, and labeling. We developed a hybrid organization scheme by categorizing content primarily by topic, but in some cases also by task. We identified 7 main topics and 4 main tasks. Although most of the structure and content of the website is designed with conventional vocabulary within the domain of the Sunshine Foundations, there are several unique concepts that require additional definition. We identified 6 terms that have specific meanings within the site in order to ensure that those terms are not used ambiguously. As the existing website didn't use keyword metadata, we researched similar sites and the effect of irrelevant search terms on search engines. We then developed a list of keywords that would offer optimized external and internal search engine performance and improved page rankings.
A careful review of the existing homepage provided cues as to how the layout should be changed, what content should remain, and what content should be reorganized or removed. We proceeded to create a rough wireframe sketch of the homepage. This layout of the homepage will serve as a template for the design of other pages of the site as well. The project moved in the final design phase. Based on the list of topics and tasks that form the taxonomy, blueprints were created to visually depict the functionality of the site and the relationship between function and content. A proposed site map was developed. Based on our previous hierarchical organization, it represents a good balance of breadth and depth. The navigation system was prototyped based on the site structure and strategic design. The top level represents the global navigation bar, and lower levels indicate the local navigation among related groups of pages. In addition to the topic-related navigation bar, 4 buttons serve as links to the task areas: Donate, Refer a Child, Adopt a Dream, and Contact Us. Using the basic layout of the roughly sketched wireframe, a more detailed wireframe of the homepage was created using Adobe Illustrator. Note the navigation bar at the top and task at the bottom. This is a sample content-related page, designed along the same general layout. The banner, search, and navigation are consistent with the homepage design.
In order to provide an example of what our concept of the final design would look like, a prototype homepage was created using Adobe Photoshop. The sample page includes design elements specified in the style guide.
To assist the future web developers of the site, we provided the client with a style guide. Here we see the guidance on the logo design, logo usage, and the typefaces.
Information about organization and structure, navigation, labeling, graphics, and colors were also included. Together with blueprints, wireframes, and a sitemap, a complete architecture and design study was produced.
The design of the new site is simple and easy to use, adheres to commonly accepted contemporary web design standards, is attractive, and, we believe, appropriate for its intended use. The team would like to thank the Sunshine Foundation for their participation in this project, and we hope that our efforts will help to further their important mission.